So number one, I could trade this from 77 to 83 and try to capture a $6 move with maybe a dollar stop loss. I have a $6 reward with a $1 risk. That's a pretty decent trade. In addition to that, I can get paid 3.25% annual by just holding on to this and collecting a dividend, let alone the fact that I can sell calls against it as it goes. If I were to look at this and say, well, I'm not sure I want to buy in yet, that bounce was nice, but can I get a better trade? Can I get a better setup? We could sell puts at 77, and if we sold puts at 77, they're going to pay us about 2.5% for just being willing to own it at 77 for the next month. And so selling a put at this level is a good way to set up the trade to get into the position and wait for it to fill the trade at a better price. Now, if you don't want to trade the ETF, you want the higher returns, you can look at the individual stocks inside and say, look, there's a bounce here, a gap up, close higher in Southern. Southern's closed higher. It should be able to fill this gap, and I can take a trade from 89 up to 93. This candlestick pattern is a reversal pattern. It is a bullish reversal pattern. I don't even need to go into the intraday to look at this one, but that's a bullish candlestick pattern that could put us to fill the gap at 90 and then back to 93 and possibly all the way up to 94. And looking at Southern, Southern pays a similar 3.2% dividend on this stock. And as we're looking at others, Duke also gave us a candlestick reversal, maybe not a breakout of the consolidation, so it doesn't look as promising to get to the highs, but it does give a very strong bullish move today, up 1.35% while the rest of the market was down. And they pay a 3.54% dividend yield. And on EXC, Exelon, also a utility, you can see amazing run from 36 to 45, pulled back, and today's also a confirming candlestick pattern. Already filled the gap and closed past the gap. So I'd be looking for a move of at least $2, but it could be setting us up for a trend like this. And they paid the best of the three so far at 3.68% dividend yield.